best place in my life I had ever seen. This is the real Jannat. We will say that in the Kashmir it is.
ये जन्नत है।
यहाँ पे देख लीजिए सर कितना ब्यूटीफुल,
पूरा मजा आता है। कश्मीर के लिए सेफ है टूरिज्म।
Our trip started on 4th of February with the early morning flight from Delhi to Srinagar. This was first time I was visiting to Kashmir.
Wave Beats Music.
Although I had heard different perceptions about the Kashmir from different people, and due to this only I want to go to the Kashmir to see and feel the real Kashmir what it is.
Wave Beats Music.
This was my first experience when our flight was delayed. Our flight was delayed by more than 2 hours.
बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बड़ा बड़ा। बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बड़ा बड़ा। बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बड़ा बड़ा। गुनगुनी है धूप ठंडी रात की हवा, होश में नहीं छाया है नशा। ये रास्ते ना होंगे खत्म, ना रुके कभी मेरे कदम। बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बराबर।
Our flight reached Srinagar in 1 hour. The view between the journey was amazing and the mountain was full of snow, which was the best part of the journey. On our first day, we reached late at our hotel, so we went only to the Dal Lake and had a shikara ride.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਨਗਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਪਲੇਸ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਸੀ the snow and the weather is very beautiful.
The local citizens of the Kashmir are very good and helpful. There is nothing dangerous there as our media shows. I would say everyone must visit there. On second day, we went to the Gulmarg, which is 55 km from the Srinagar, which takes nearly about 2 hours. In winter season, we have to change the car from the Tarmac to reach the Gulmarg, as only 4x4 XUV cars go there, which cost rupees 1600. Gulmarg is the highest and the most popular skiing destination in the Asia. Gulmarg gondola ride is one of the highest in the world. It has two stages. The first stage transfer from the Gulmarg to Kandori, that is phase 1, which costs rupees 750.
बादलों के पार एक जहां.
The second phase of the gondola ride is the best among the both phases. It goes to a Parvat peak which has the height of 13,800 feet, which costs ₹940 rupees. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes averagely to reach.
Fare of both phase 1 and second phase 2 and fro is ₹1690.
बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बरा बरा. गुनगुनी है धूप ठंडी रात की हवा, होश में नहीं छाया है नशा. ये रास्ते नम.
The view is breathtaking, which cannot be explained through the words. We were above the sky, rest you can see in our video.
बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बरा बरा. जिंदगी बोलती यहाँ वहाँ डोलती, बांधना ना मुझे बेड़ियों में कभी. मुस्कुराती रहे चेहरे की ये हंसी, सुकून से कानों में गुनगुनाती रहे. बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बरा बरा. बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बरा बरा. बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बरा बरा. बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बरा बरा। बादलों के पार
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਗਾਈਡਸ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਫੇਜ਼ 'ਚ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ, ਬਟ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਰਿਕਮੈਂਡ ਯੂ ਸ਼ੁਡ ਗੋ ਐਜ਼ ਦ ਇਟਸ ਬੈਟਰ ਦੈਨ ਦ ਐਡਵੈਂਚਰਸ sports activities. I will not say that it's not good or it's depend on the people to people, but I will, from my preference, I will say that you should go the gondola ride on the second phase also. And overall, it's the best place in my life I had ever seen. This is the real Jannat. We will say that in the Kashmir it is.
बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून बरा बरा। बोलती यहाँ वहाँ डोलती, बांधना ना मुझे बेड़ियों में कभी, मुस्कुराती रहे चेहरे की ये हंसी, सुकून से कानों में गुनगुनाती रहे। बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून भरा भरा। बादलों के पार।
Srinagar local city is very good, where we can see the gardens and many lakes are there. But basically the outskirts of the Srinagar is more better than the local Srinagar. I will recommend it.
बादलों के पार एक जहां, जहां पे है सुकून भरा भरा।
Wave Beats Music.
After Gulmarg, we went to the Drang village, which is 15 km from the Gulmarg. It has a frozen waterfall, which I had seen first time in my life. On next day, we went to the Pahalgam, which is 110 km from the Srinagar.
I tried so
While going to Pahalgam, we see a vast gardens of apple, walnuts, and the saffron, which seems to be more beautiful in the summer. Pahalgam is more beautiful in summers. It is almost similar to a Switzerland, due to which it is also called as the mini Switzerland. Pahalgam is a small valley. Chandanwadi, Besaran, Betab Valley, and the mini Switzerland are the nearby tourist spots from the Pahalgam.
It's a valley type of the Srinagar is located between the two hills, and we will say that it's in the summers it's the beautiful coverage of the greenery.
This is the place where the Bajrangi Bhaijaan Jab Tak Hai Jahan shooting was done.
so I tried so hard, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. Yeah, it doesn't even matter. It starts with
The cinematic scenery view is very good in the Pahalgam. It is almost similar to a mini Switzerland, we can say. Everyone who wants to go to Switzerland, he should must come here in the I will say in the Pahalgam. The horse fare to go to the mini Switzerland is 1500 rupees. You can also bargain some prices around between from 2000 to till 1000 rupees also.
it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. To fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It starts with all I know. So
So finally, this is our last day of the trip. सारी जगह घूम के बहुत अच्छा लग गया. पहलगाम, गुलमर्ग, local Srinagar, all was very good. And the best part of the trip was the gondola ride. So I will say that ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਇਓ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੈਮਲੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ, friends ਨਾਲ.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard, I had to fall to matter. So unreal. Watch you
Our overall short trip of Kashmir was wonderful. The beauty of Kashmir can't be compared by the whole world. If there is a heaven on earth, it is in Kashmir. Hope you liked our video. Kashmir is not just a place but an emotion that every person wants to experience.
It doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. It's so